Let's restore this class 1 cavity on mandibular second molar with composite. First we will apply Fusion Bond 7. This is light curing self-etching bonding adhesive into the cavity with the help of micro applicator brush, scrubbing the surface of the cavity. Now dry the adhesive with gentle air first and then medium air for at least 5 seconds. And then light cure for 20 to 30 seconds. For restoring the cavity, we will use Magma Anti. This is Nano Ceramic Universal Restorative Bleach Shade developed by Previous Denpro. Add Magma Anti in the increments of 1 to 2 mm, condensing it into the cavity and then light cure for 30 to 40 seconds. Now we can proceed with finishing and removing any excess with the help of a finishing bar. After removing the excess, we can proceed with polishing with the help of polishing wheel and cup, and thereafter the polishing brush. Now for high luster and smooth surface, we can use Platina High Gloss, that is composite polishing paste from Previous Denpro.